Dictionaries are quite similar to arrays. They are collections of elements, with the difference that each element is made of a key values pairs. For example, it could be a string and an integer. You can think of it as a set of drawers, where each drawer, instead of being accessed by its position, is accessed by its name or key. So, a dictionary is made of a collection of key value pairs, where the key is the way to retrieve the data I want back from the dictionary. Here, I'm creating a dictionary holding the age of my friends. Key value pairs are put in square brackets and separated by commas. Swift type inference also works for dictionaries, so in this case, my key will be automatically recognized as type string and the value will be an integer. It's also possible to declare a dictionary without defining its contents. In this case, though, I'll have to decide what type of data is used for keys and values. To add elements to a dictionary, you just decide the new key and its value. If the key was not existing, like in this case, it's created in the dictionary. If the key was already part of the dictionary, then its associated value will be updated. If I want to retrieve a value from my dictionary, I just have to use its key. Let's say I want variable b to have the age of my friend Anne. But what happens if by mistake I use a key that is not present in the dictionary? Don't worry, Swift recognizes that condition and returns the value nil. Nil is a special value that is used to report missing content on a variable or something else. The usage of nil will be explained more in detail in one of the next lectures. Okay, so let's go back to our playground. And let's define a variable, friends, that is a dictionary where I store my friend's age. So the key value is the name, my friend's name, and the value is my friend's age. So square bracket, John, 35, colon, Anne, colon, 29, Steve, 42. Now let's say I want to retrieve the age of one of my friends. So var age equals, I go to my dictionary, friends, and I just have to specify the name of the friend whom I want the age. So Steve is 42. Now I want to add a new friend to my dictionary. So friends Hugo equals 30. Okay, Hugo was not present in my dictionary, so Swift is adding the entry to the dictionary with a key Hugo and the value is 30. But what if I use the same syntax with a value that's already in my dictionary? Let's say friends John equals 30. Okay, now John has become younger, he's now 30. As a matter of fact, if I assign its age to the variable age I defined before, age equals friends John, age is now 30. Be careful though that dictionaries are case sensitives. For example, if I try to retrieve age friends John with a capital J, I get a nil condition, meaning John with a capital J doesn't exist. So key values are case sensitive, watch out. What happens if I try to retrieve from my dictionary a friend that is not part of my dictionary? Oops, friends. Paul. I get nil as a result because there's no friend Paul in the dictionary, and therefore Swift returns a value nil, informing me that there's not such entry in the dictionary. We'll see more about nil in one of the next lectures.